welcome to another episode of Science at Home. I'm Fatin, your resident social distancing scientist from Tekdong, Penang. Do you remember our previous episode about pickling? Pickling is a process of making and preserving food in salt solution or acidic solution, and they are related to fermentation. People often misunderstood pickling and fermentation because both produce food that has sour taste, but they are actually different. Let's make kimchi to prove this. Here are the ingredients: ginger, garlic and onion paste, rice flour paste. You can also use glutinous rice flour, added with some sugar, some salt, some chili powder, fish sauce, and most importantly the cabbage. You will also need the bowl, spoon and a container to ferment the kimchi. The first step is add some water to the cabbage. Then sprinkle some salt to cover the cabbage. Mix them well. While waiting for the cabbage, let's make the kimchi paste. The first step is add the garlic, onion and ginger paste into the bowl. Then, add the sweet rice flour paste into the bowl. Next, add some chili powder into the bowl. Mix them well. Then, add some salt and also fish sauce. After 1 hour, the cabbage will become soft and wilt. Now, you have to wash the cabbage to remove the salt water. After that, add the kimchi paste to the cabbage. Mix them well. Then, transfer the kimchi into the container. Close the lid. Wait for around 1 week for fermentation to occur. Let microbes do their job. After more than a week, the cabbage will become softer and they will taste sour because of the fermentation process. During the process of making our kimchi, we have added a lot of salt to the cabbage, and this has caused the cabbage to shrink and become soft. And this is also related to a process called osmosis. Osmosis is a process where water moves from high concentration region to a lower concentration region. And in this case, the cabbage has a lot of water inside the cells, while outside of the cells has low concentration of water. So, the water moves from inside of the cells to outside of the cells. This will also cause the cells of the cabbage to collapse and the cabbage will shrink. Inside the kimchi paste, we have added rice flour paste along with some sugar. They are to be used by the microorganisms in the fermentation process. And at the same time, the rice flour paste will help to coat the kimchi well so the kimchi will ripe thoroughly. We also added some spices to give taste to the kimchi. Fermentation is a process when food becomes sour with the help of microorganisms. Among the microorganisms that involved in making kimchi are the probiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria such as lactic acid bacteria that will break down sugar into simpler form of chemicals such as the lactic acid. Lactic acid gives the sour and tangy taste to the kimchi. So, the longer you keep the kimchi, the more lactic acid are produced by the bacteria and the more sour the kimchi will taste. Eating kimchi can give you a good gut health. In short, pickling and fermentation are the process of making and preserving food, and the food will become sour. In case of pickling, salt solution and acidic solution need to be added so that the food will taste sour. But for fermentation, the sour taste is obtained from the acid that is produced naturally by the microorganism from the fermentation process. Fermentation can also produce a type of gas, and it can make something to become bigger. If you want to know more about that, don't forget to watch our next episode of Science at Home. Like and share this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. See you soon, bye bye!